A detailed conversation on self-introduction and getting to know each other in English. Alex, hi there. My name is Alex. What's your name? Taylor, hi Alex. I'm Taylor. Nice to meet you. Alex, nice to meet you too, Taylor. So, where are you from? Taylor, I'm from Canada. How about you? Alex, I'm from the United States. Which part of Canada are you from? Taylor, I'm from Toronto. Have you ever been there? Alex, no, I haven't, but I've heard it's a beautiful city. What do you do in Toronto? Taylor, I'm a software engineer. I work for a tech company downtown. What do you do? Alex, that's cool. I'm a graphic designer. I freelance and work with various clients on different projects. Taylor, that sounds interesting. How did you get into graphic design? Alex, I've always loved art and technology, so graphic design seemed like the perfect mix of both. I studied it in college and started freelancing right after graduation. What about you? How did you get into software engineering? Taylor, I've always been interested in computers and programming. I took some coding classes in high school and loved it, so I decided to study computer science in college. Do you enjoy being a freelancer? Alex, yes, I do. I love the flexibility it gives me. I can work from anywhere and choose the projects I want to work on. Sometimes it can be a bit unstable, but I enjoy the variety. Do you like working for a tech company? Taylor, yes, I do. I like the team environment and working on large projects with others. It's also nice to have a stable job. What kind of projects have you worked on recently? Alex, recently, I've been working on a rebranding project for a small business and designing a new website for a non-profit organization. It's been challenging but very rewarding. What about you? Any exciting projects? Taylor, I'm currently working on developing a new feature for our company's app. It's in the early stages, but I'm excited about it. We are hoping it will make the app more user-friendly. Alex, that sounds great. It must be satisfying to see your work directly impact users. Outside of work, what do you like to do for fun? Taylor, I enjoy hiking and photography. I love being outdoors and capturing beautiful landscapes. How about you? Alex, I love photography too. I also enjoy painting and playing guitar. It's a great way to unwind after a busy day. Do you have any favorite hiking spots? Taylor, yes, there are some great trails just outside of Toronto. I often go to the Bruce Trail and Algonquin Park. The scenery is amazing, especially in the fall. Have you done any traveling recently? Alex, not recently, but I'm planning a trip to Europe next year. I'm really excited about it. Have you traveled much? Taylor, yes, I've been to a few places. Last year, I went to Japan, and it was an incredible experience. The culture, food, and people were amazing. Do you have a favorite travel destination? Alex, I haven't traveled as much as I'd like, but I loved visiting Italy a few years ago. The history and architecture are just stunning. Do you enjoy trying new foods when you travel? Taylor, absolutely. Trying new foods is one of my favorite parts of traveling. In Japan, I tried sushi and ramen, which were delicious. What about you? Any favorite foods from your travels? Alex: Yes, I tried gelato in Italy, and it was the best I've ever had. I also loved the pasta dishes. Do you cook much at home? Taylor: I try to cook when I can. I like experimenting with new recipes, especially different cuisines. It's a fun way to bring a bit of travel into everyday life. How about you? Do you like to cook? Alex: Yes, I enjoy cooking. It's a creative process for me. I like making Italian dishes and trying out new dessert recipes. Have you taken any cooking classes? Taylor: I took a sushi making class once, and it was a lot of fun. I'd like to take more classes in the future. Have you ever taken any? Alex: Yes, I took a baking class last year. It was great to learn new techniques and meet people with similar interests. What other hobbies do you have? Taylor: I also enjoy reading and watching movies. I'm a big fan of science fiction. What about you? Alex: I love reading too. I'm into mystery novels. As for movies, I enjoy all genres, but I have a soft spot for classic films. Do you have a favorite book or movie? Taylor: My favorite book is Dune by Frank Herbert. It's a classic sci-fi novel. For movies, I really like Blade Runner. What about you? Alex: My favorite book is Sherlock Holmes by Arthur Conan Doyle. As for movies, I love The Godfather. Have you ever attended any book clubs or film screenings? Taylor: Yes, I'm part of a book club that meets monthly. It's a great way to discuss books and get different perspectives. I've also been to a few film screenings. How about you? Alex: I've attended some local film festivals, and I'm thinking of joining a book club. It sounds like a lot of fun. Do you have any upcoming plans or events you are looking forward to? Taylor: I'm planning a hiking trip next month with some friends. We are going to explore some new trails. What about you? Alex: I have a few art exhibitions lined up where I'll be showcasing some of my work. I'm both excited and nervous about it. Do you attend many art events? Taylor: I do when I can. I enjoy visiting galleries and seeing different types of art. It's inspiring. What kind of art will you be showcasing? Alex: I'll be showing some of my paintings and digital art pieces. It's a mix of abstract and realistic styles. I hope people like it. Taylor: I'm sure they will. It sounds fantastic. Well, it was really nice talking to you, Alex. I feel like I've learned a lot about you. Alex: Same here, Taylor. It was great getting to know you. Maybe we can hang out sometime and share some of our hobbies. Taylor: That sounds like a plan. Let's exchange contact information and stay in touch. Alex: Sure, here's my number and email. Feel free to reach out anytime. Taylor: Great, here's mine too. Have a great day, Alex. Alex: You too, Taylor. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe.